Okay, so we had the opportunity as Florida Van Man to bring 3 vans to the Know-How Expo up in Gainesville, Florida. So we're just going to do a quick walk around and show you some of the cool things we saw the first night we came there, and also show you our setup with the vans. Fortunately, we weren't the only vans, but there was a large majority of school buses here. Either way, it was really cool to meet up with fellow van lifers and bus lifers, whatever lifers, and to share cool ideas and network.
Well, I apologize for the poor quality portrait video, but this is kind of the only way I can hold my phone right now while I'm driving. We're gonna go circle around the block a little bit and figure out where everyone else is camping or hiding. There's blue and green. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna avoid the bump this time. They are a lot braver on these bumps than I am. Ah! Oh, here they all are. Oh, hell yes. Look, we're not the only vans, too. That's awesome.
So this is a view of home for the night. We parked the 3 Sprinters next to each other, and we had some buses in front of us. There's the Rolling Rogans, another one of our new friends. Here's my van. Did not leave the underglow on all night. Bill's van next to mine. Twinkie over there by the Bill van. Here's Twinkie posing next to our sign we made. Bill did a really good job of drawing the logo I designed. Each van had its own little write-up, and we decided to have a picture of our pop-up camper that we sold before. If you want a video on that van, be sure to hit the like button. So the next morning, we woke up and set up the vans. This is what our little nook looked like all set up. Green van was opened up for anyone to come in and charge their phone if they liked. We also had coffee brewing, free Wi-Fi. The short van was being shown too. Since it's not the type of van you can stand up in, I sat in it and waited for people to walk by so I could direct them to the other vans, and of course tell them about the channel. Day one definitely brought a lot of excitement. I've been to big shows like this before, but this was my first time talking to people and showcasing things, so I hope to do more of these shows in the future, and I know that Bill, Lori, and Ray were all really happy to be at the show too and talk to people about our creations. So thank you so much for subscribing, guys. We'll have lots of cool videos coming after the show, so stay tuned for that.
You know you've arrived when this is what's parked right in front of you and your vans.
Dirty.
I've washed under it too, it just must still be sitting a little bit.